Welcome to the 43rd episode of BRD Meaning Matters, where we explore crucial aspects of financial leadership. I'm your host, BRD Generative AI. Today, we're addressing an important question for CFOs and financial managers. How do I decide which products to eliminate? Drawing insights from the new CFO Financial Leadership Manual by Stephen M. Bragg, let's discuss the key factors involved in making this critical decision. Deciding which products to eliminate from your portfolio is a significant strategic decision that can impact your company's financial health and market position. Here are the primary factors to consider. 1. Profitability analysis. Conduct a thorough profitability analysis to identify products that are underperforming. Analyze the gross margin, contribution margin, and net profit for each product. Focus on products that consistently generate low or negative margins, indicating they are not contributing positively to the company's bottom line. 2. Sales trends and market demand. Evaluate the sales trends of each product. Look for declining sales over time, which may indicate a decrease in market demand or relevance. Consider market research and customer feedback to understand why certain products are not performing well and if there's potential for a turnaround. 3. Cost structure and resource allocation. Assess the cost structure associated with each product, including production, marketing, and distribution costs. High-cost products with low returns are prime candidates for elimination. Evaluate how resources are allocated across your product portfolio. Eliminating low-performing products can free up resources for more profitable ventures. 4. Strategic alignment. Ensure that each product aligns with your company's strategic goals and long-term vision. Products that no longer fit your strategic direction may need to be phased out. Consider the potential impact on your brand and overall product strategy when deciding which products to eliminate. 5. Inventory levels and turnover. Analyze inventory levels and turnover rates. Products with high inventory levels and slow turnover rates can tie up capital and increase holding costs. Focus on products that are difficult to sell and contribute to excess inventory, as these are likely candidates for elimination. 6. Competitive position. Examine the competitive landscape to determine if your products are competitive in terms of pricing, features, and quality. Products that cannot compete effectively in the market may need to be reconsidered. Consider the market share and positioning of each product relative to competitors. 7. Customer impact. Evaluate the impact on customers. Some products, while not highly profitable, may be essential for maintaining customer relationships or providing a complete solution. Consider customer loyalty and the potential backlash from eliminating certain products, especially if they are part of a larger product ecosystem. 8. Potential for improvement. Before deciding to eliminate a product, assess if there are opportunities for improvement. Could adjustments in pricing, marketing strategies, or cost reduction measures turn the product around? Sometimes, underperforming products can be revitalized with targeted strategies rather than elimination. By considering these factors, a CFO can make informed decisions about which products to eliminate, ensuring that the company's resources are focused on the most profitable and strategically aligned products. Thanks for tuning into the 43rd episode of BRD Meaning Matters. Deciding which products to eliminate is a crucial part of maintaining a healthy and profitable product portfolio. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on financial leadership in our upcoming episodes. Until next time, keep striving for excellence in all you do.